everyone, thank you for watching. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Julie. I like to do unboxing and makeup content, so sit back, grab a bev, and unbox with me. Today I am unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of October. It is October 2025, work your magic. Whether you're conjuring bold looks or summoning serious glow, we've got everything you need to play beauty your way. Because around here, playing dress up never ends. Well, same Ipsy girl. I literally play dress up every single weekend and film content. So if you're into that sort of thing, please subscribe and let's get into it. So this is the bag, super cute. It's like nylon with a bunch of little snakes on it and some sunshines, and it does have this really cute evil eye charm. I did just unbox the mystery bags for October, so if you want to see that, check it out here. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first things first is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I love Glow Recipe. Who doesn't? This is a win. Okay, and then we have a really cute little synthetic blush brush or highlighting brush. The color palette's really cute and perfect for Halloween, a little spooky, a little slimy. Okay, next is the Blur Effects Mini Foundation. Oh wow, okay. So let's see what she's about. It's called Almond Sugar. Yum. And if you like this makeup look, I did just film it. It's probably not going to be up before this video, so just look for it on my page. Ooh, that actually looks like a really good color match for me. Next is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Gel. I know I just got this in another Ipsy, but it's such a tiny little travel size. I'll definitely keep that and use that. I am going to be posting a giveaway sometime probably early November. I have been collecting quite a few products over the past few months, so stay tuned for that. Then there is the Defiance Beauty in Goddess Glow, a bronzer. Ooh, that's nice. It's actually a pretty good shade for fair skin. I'm actually pretty low on powder bronzers these days. And that is what was in my October 2025 Ipsy Glam Bag. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.